Hello, friends. It's Danny here, Danny's Dreams. It's Saturday, so that means it's time for Saturday Showcase. If you're new to my channel, Saturday Showcase is where I show you all the creations that I've made throughout the week. If you have any questions about any of them, in the description box below are links to either the videos or blog posts where I originally shared them. Or you can leave a comment and I will answer it as quick as I can. For this Saturday showcase, I don't have that many cards because it is a Craft and Kimmy release week. So later today, I will have another video up sharing all of the new goodies from Craft and Kimmy. So let's get started on this showcase. Before I do that, I also wanted to say thank you so much for everyone who took time to vote for my card in the Creative Scrapbooker card contest. I did not make it to round 3, but I'm still honored that I was chosen and that I did make it to round 2. So on to this showcase, which is very, very short this week. I have this card for the last Craft and Kimmy Saturday Challenge, which was monochromatic. I did the background with some Craft and Kimmy inks and some saran wrap. If you've never done that technique before, it's really fun. I hope to get a technique video out soon to show you. Basically, you just roll up the saran wrap, pounce it in the ink, and then pounce it on. And then I use that dragon and that sentiment. The dragon is from the Dragon Flight stamp set, and the sentiment is from My Heroes stamp set. And there's the inside. Next up, I was on the Not Too Shabby channel with this card, which you might be saying, but wait a minute, there's no coloring. I decided to try something new since I know many of my friends don't like to color. I thought it'd be fun to just stamp the images to create the card, and I really have to admit it turned out super cute. And there's the inside of that one, that little turkey pecan. So there's that one, and that uses the September 2022 stamp and die of the month. Well, it doesn't use the die, stamp of the month from Not Too Shabby Turkey Day. And then my last card for this week was a Just Because card. This is a digital stamp from Krista Smith called Sunflower Field, and I loved coloring it up. And then I paired it with some paper from a previous Not Too Shabby box of the month, as well as some This Calls for Confetti. And I just love how it turned out. Hello, friend. And then I just have a banner on the inside. So there are my creations for the week. Again, I will be back later on today to share, excuse me, the Craft and Kimmy cards that I created for the new release. Thanks so much for stopping by, and until later on today, have a great day.